Hello, my awesome students. Today we are going to start a new unit about the sun. What do you already know about the sun? I want you to make a quick KWL chart in your notebook and start filling in the first two columns. Pause the video until you're done. Once you're ready to get started, I want you to go to your It's Learning page. Make sure you're on the science page. Click on Unit 1, which is labeled Astronomy. And then you're going to click on the link and watch the video that's labeled Science Kids All About the Sun. Once you're done watching the video, it's time to do some research on the 3 layers of the sun. You need to gather 3 to 5 facts. Use your resources. The Sun video and the Kiriki website are some great places to start to create your presentation of your choice about your 3 to 5 facts. The projects are due on Friday. Hooray! I can't wait to see some awesome final products.